Alright, these are elevators number 6 and 7 here at the IKEA in College Park, Maryland.
These are the exit garage elevators, and it's going to be this one. And these are Schindler as well. Not as big as the ones in Conshohocken. P.
But same capacity though, 10,000.
Yep.
Oh, we're gonna have a good motor going up.
One. And actually, the ThyssenKrupp elevators at IKEA and Conshohocken, they're actually 12,000 pounds.
If you don't mind, I'd like to ride the other car.
Okay.
Alright, let's listen. Shh.
Alright. Send it
this
down
one
to
down.
P so you can get the other one. Send it down to P so you can get the other
Alright,
one.
Gabe. Come on. Gabe, come on.
And it looks like the other one's coming up.
Oh, sorry. Oh, buttons are over here. P. Let's get a cab since I didn't get one in the other one. Identical to the other one, except all the buttons are on this side. These are Schindler. I have no idea when these were installed. If anybody knows, please let me know. Go up to 1. Oh, I hear the other one going. Alright, let's listen. Here are one.
It's interesting how it's got carpeting.
Just like Bloomington. Alright, there it goes, and that is it.